Hey, hi there. Hello, the Faves seeing you. Say morning, Faves. He wanted me to go for the camera and show you guys his puzzle that he's doing. Alright, you can continue your puzzle. They're seeing you. Hi Faves, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon and good night you guys. Getting
The first part is this.
Yes, the cereal.
And
You guys, we have been up and we had breakfast. Yes. Wow, good job. You're doing well. We woke up, we had breakfast, and we are just chilling because today is Monday and I kept Tyler home with me today because he's really not feeling well. He have cold in his left eye, and whenever he goes to nap and wake up, his eyelids kind of stick together because of the glue, and I have to clean it to make him open his eye properly. So I decided to keep him home with me today. Yeah, I might also keep him home with me tomorrow just so he can stay out the cold a bit and get a little better.
Papa is at work.
Yes, Papa is at work and baby's gone to work, as Tyler told you. So today we're just gonna stay.
No, baby's not to work because
Yes, baby's at work. Mama called Papa babe. That's what Mama called Papa babe. Are you Mama Pumpkin?
no,
You're not Mama Pumpkin? Why?
the baby's at home.
Yes, this is the baby, but Papa name is Babe. Why are you not Mama Pumpkin?
Because pumpkin is Halloween.
I love to call him Pumpkin, but he said, Mama, I am not Pumpkin because pumpkin is for Halloween. You guys see my hair? I need to go and detangle this bad boy right here. But I like to see the natural frizzy look of it right now. So it's probably just gonna stay like this for a little while. Anyway, you guys, I am just gonna stay home with Tyler today and do some in-house activities, probably some coloring and some reading, and of course he enjoyed doing puzzles, so we're gonna do some of that. He already started. So yeah, that's basically what today is going to be consist of, and just resting up really and get a little stuff done here and there around the house. So if you're new to our channel, be sure to subscribe and join the fam bam. We love you guys. And baby girl is here chilling. Look at her. She's just chilling. She's just chilling. Baby girl is just chilling right now. Anyway, you guys, give this video a thumbs up and stay tuned for the rest of today's vlog. I'll catch you guys in a bit. You guys watch Tyler while he get puzzle done. They seen you, okay?
Okay.
He's doing it.
My puzzle all by myself.
Yes, and who is on this puzzle? Which character is on this puzzle? Who is in the red? Who is that?
Spider-Man.
Yeah.
No, and Spider-Man is like that and like that.
Very good. That's exactly how Spider-Man goes. Last night he slept in my bed because he started crying for his eyes.
Look here.
There you go. Good job.
What's that?
I don't know. When you put the puzzle together, you'll see. Look at me. Come here. Turn around. You guys see his eye? The left one. It's even swollen a bit, but the kid's Advil I think is helping when he's feeling pain. So, and we have some antibiotics for him that he got. So that's, I think those are helping a bit. Continue to do your puzzle. You're almost finished. You're doing a good job.
Okay. Almost finished.
Yeah. Good job. Ah? What did you say? You told me.
That's correct.
Yes, it is correct. Good job.
And then just connect that.
No. Ah! Good job. Good job, bravo. Wow. Wow. That's your happy dance?
Yeah. Let me move it a little bit more.
Be careful. See some going under the dress, under the commode. You don't want them to go under the commode. Look. Look at Mama. There. Take them out from there, from the corner.
There.
Yeah. You have to attach it. Oh. Two pieces missing. You see? One, look under here. Anything go under there? One is missing from here and one is missing from there. Go look in your room. Your nose want to wipe. Get one?
Yeah.
Okay, where does that one go?
It's going up. Yeah.
Okay, so you need to go find one more.
Okay. Let's check in my room.
Okay, go on. Anyway, guys, he can't find this piece right here, but that's his finished product. He did so well. Good job, Ty.
Mom,
Yes.
I have to pack. all
Yes,
the
pack-
them in my
Pack them up
basket.
now.
And I found another puzzle.
Okay, go ahead. There, he's on puzzle number 2.
This is the puzzle number 2.
Yeah, look at your nose. Your nose wanna wipe again. like it? It's pretty. Your socks have a hole. Take it off and throw it in the bin. Okay, puzzle number 2 done. Good job, Ty. Snack time.
What is it?
Snack time.
Yeah.
What are you eating? Pineapple. You love pineapples? Yeah. He loves pineapple. Every week I buy these pineapple. If I don't peel them like 2 days after, they spoil. So this one is just on time. Tyler loves pineapple so much. I know it will finish before the day ends. So it's snack time for us. The random conversation Tyler and I having when he's with me.
Mama,
Yes, Tyler.
I'm a police officer.
You are a police officer?
Yeah.
Okay, and what else do you want to be?
Mama,
Yes.
I want to buy a police car so I can drive it and a police costume for me.
You already have police car, but we can buy a police costume as soon as we find one, okay?
I want a big police car.
You want a bigger one than the one you have? You already have a monster police car.
Get that so I can drive it. So it have a steering wheel.
Get out of the kitchen.
It have two sides so I can catch the bad guys
You want to catch the bad guys?
with my big
Stop going around the table like that.
with a steering wheel. Like that I can drive it faster than that. So I can take them today in my room.
Okay, and what else you want to be?
A doctor.
You want to be a doctor?
Yeah.
Okay, what you gonna be as a doctor? Who you gonna take care of? What? You gonna take care of me?
Yeah.
I know. You're a sweet boy.
And that I'm gonna be a dentist.
Then you're gonna be a dentist, and whose teeth you gonna take care of?
Papa.
You're gonna take care of Papa teeth. You're a sweet boy. Yes, Tyler. Stop going around the table like that.
A donkey goose.
Huh?
A donkey goose.
No, not yet. No, it's not moving as yet. It don't move until you reach 6 years old. And you're only 3. So you have 3 more years to wait before your teeth shake. Okay? Tyler, stop going around the table. You're going to fall.
Stop. Stop.
We need to go take a bath. That's him all day when he's having conversations. He's passionate about whatever he's telling you. Anyway, you guys, I'm here. I just give him some lunch. I made oxtail for dinner yesterday, which we didn't vlog. That wasn't vlog day because we all weren't feeling so well, so I didn't vlog. That's your policeman's truck. Show the faves. Hold it up so they can see. Whoa, it's big. Look at his eye.
What's that?
Gonna catch the bad guys. Alright, go on, go play. So I just gave Tyler some oxtail and rice, and I am gonna have a little bit of the oxtail with some dumpling and banana, and then I'm going to get Tyler fresh and put him down for a nap and get on with our day. I think I'm gonna get some rest myself. Anyway, you guys, food time.
Mama,
Yes, Tyler.
don't forget to show them the table.
I already show Faves the table. They saw it. Now what else we need to buy for the table? We're going to buy what to go around the table. Chairs?
Yeah.
Yeah, we have to buy chairs. So for now we have the table, we just need to buy the chairs, right?
Yeah.
Right.
And then we're going to eat.
No, we can finally eat around the table when we find the chairs. And so you will stop eat where? Where are you gonna stop eat when we buy the big chairs? You're gonna stop eating your small chair, right? You stop eating your baby chair? Yeah, because it's gonna be for the baby. Right?
And the product.
What's in Mama's stomach?
Baby sister.
A baby sister, and you happy?
Yeah.
Yeah. See. What are you gonna show me? Oh, you packed up all your toys? Wow. Good job, baby. All right, guess what? It's time to
Nap.
but first we have to get all fresh, so let's go brush teeth and all that. In your ears?
Yeah.
All right, I'm gonna give you a medicine after we get fresh, okay? So I'm gonna make dinner real soon. For dinner today I am making this fish, which of course I'm gonna fry them because you guys know I prefer fried fish. And I have some rice left over in the fridge from yesterday, so that's gonna go with some rice, and then I'll come up with some kind of vegetables to go with it. You guys, this was as simple as dinner gets for me. I don't even want sauce. Well, yeah, dinner time.
Okay.
Let's pack up fast.
Look. Second room.
Where does that one go? Where is the Lego box?
Yeah.
Right, put it in it.
And this is a dream. This is a magic dream.
Come on.
And this is a truck full of apple.
Okay, go put it in.
Mama,
Yes, Dad.
I have a lot of dinosaurs now.
You have a lot of dinosaur. You don't want any more.
Huh?
You don't want any more until when the other one that Grandma sent for you reach, then no more dinosaur after that. Okay? You have enough. Okay, we're all done. All right, let's do notification shout out. Come, look in the camera.
It's night.
See?
It's night.
Yeah, it's time to go to bed. Say notification shout out goes to. Come here to stay here.
Notification shout out to go to
Mikalia. And Andrea Brown.
Andrea Brown.
So thanks for watching, guys.
Thanks for watching, guys. And
See you guys.
see you guys tomorrow.
All right, go choose a book and let's read and go to bed. My big boy is heading to bed, you guys. Yeah?
We're not finished this book.
You want to do that book again?
Yeah, because we're not finished.
Okay, take it if that's the one you want.